Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable back button press on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put likes under our video and write your comments at the end of watching. So friends, let's get to our topic. And I'm going to show you how you can activate this back button here, which is on any iPhone. Yes, friends, it's not just a sign, it's also a button, and you can activate it to your liking. And in order to do that, you're gonna have to go on your iPhone, you're gonna have to go into Settings, and then scroll down a little bit to the bottom of the settings and select Accessibility here. Then also scroll down here to the touch function. And in touch, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the settings and go to this option here. Now friends, when you go to the back button, you'll see that you can set up double touch or triple touch. You can set up just one, you can set up both, whatever you want. So, let's say you choose double touch. You'll have a menu like this here, like the system menu, so you've got your system settings that you can customize for yourself on this button. And also here will be some of the accessibility settings. And as you can see, there are quite a few of these settings here. You can choose whatever is most convenient and practical for you. Also friends, once you've made your selections, you can go back and customize the triple touch. Here, the menu is exactly the same, and you choose what you're comfortable with. And now friends, when you pick up your iPhone, and on the back do let's say a double tap. As you can see, I have the double tap set to go back to the menu, and when I double tap the back button, my iPhone went to the menu. That's how you can easily customize your back button press on your iPhone in such a very simple way. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, be sure to subscribe to our channel and write comments. See you soon.